Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how to set up an Amazon Onelink. So first is you have to make sure that you have your account on Amazon.com in order for you to create an Amazon Associate account. Okay, so once you are done setting up your Amazon account, you just have to open a new tab and then just have to type out right here an Amazon Associate account or Amazon Associate, and then you'd be able to see this website right here. So you will then just have to select this one, this Amazon.com Associate Central. Okay, so you just have to click on this one. And then you'd be redirected to this page. Now right here, you just have to select the tools option at the top and then click on one link. Okay, that's right. So right here, this is your store. It is currently set up to operate in the US. So you can configure your store ID to earn from Canada, France, and so on. Now you just have to click on the Get Started button right here. And in this area, your store Humphrey 0CA-20 is currently configured to earn from these countries. So you just have to select all of the countries. So for me, I'm going to select all and then click on next. So if you no longer want your store to earn from a country listed here, so you just have to contact the customer service. Okay, now just click on next after finalizing your countries. Now you have to make sure that you have reviewed and accept the terms and condition of this associate programs. So for the countries, you have to fill out the operating agreement, each of these countries. Okay, so you just have to click on the link and just fill out the form. Okay, so after filling out the form, you just have to scroll down and then click on accept these terms and conditions and then click on submit. And as you can see at the top, you have successfully configured your store ID to earn across Canada, France, Germany, Italy, Netherlands, Poland, Spain, Sweden, and United Kingdom countries. So please review and add a payment or edit payment, tax, redirection, and traffic settings for countries added to the store. And of course, right here at the right side, you can update your payment method, your taxes, your one link redirection preferences, and your traffic sources. So after finalizing everything, you can now start earning globally. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.